Small YouTubers are making mistakes that is quietly killing their channel's growth. You could be uploading every week, making great content, and still getting no views because of this. If you fix this one mistake, your channel could finally take off. Hey creators, welcome back to Monetize with Gal. On this channel, I share proven strategies to help small YouTubers grow faster and get monetized sooner. If that is what you want, hit that subscribe button. The number one mistake that small YouTubers make is creating content for themselves, not for the audience. It is important for you to understand that YouTube algorithm favors people that create content for viewers, people that create content for audience. So one mistake that small YouTubers are making and are still making is creating content that they like, not content that the viewers like or content that the viewers want to watch. The YouTube algorithm or YouTube is interested in the audience. So whatever the audience is interested in, that is what the YouTube algorithm is interested in. So if you make content that the audience or viewers are interested in, then YouTube algorithm will start pushing your videos to a wider audience. So if you're creating videos for yourself, not for the audience or for the viewers, then you are making a whole lot of mistakes, and this could be the reason why your channel is getting no visibility, why your views are still stuck at 0 views, 0 subscribers, and no watch hours. Okay, so make sure that you create content that are viewers centered, create content that are viewers centered, not self-centered. All right, that way YouTube algorithm will start pushing your videos and you start growing faster on YouTube. Small YouTubers also make the mistake of posting random videos. They do not concentrate on a particular niche. They make random videos. This is what I mean. Today they are posting about lifestyle content. Tomorrow they are posting about gaming content. Next tomorrow they are posting entertainment. The next video they are posting about growth, YouTube growth and monetization. They end up confusing both the YouTube algorithm and the viewers or the audience or even the potential viewers. Now the problem is YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your videos to, because you're posting different videos, random videos. YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your videos to, and your audience, the ones that you have gotten, your subscribers, don't know what to expect from your video or from your channels. So if you keep posting random videos, your audience or subscribers or even viewers do not know what to expect in the next video, so they don't even know what your channel is all about. And this is one big mistake that a lot of small YouTubers are making. When you confuse the YouTube algorithm and your audience or viewers or potential subscribers, you will not build authority in one particular niche. Okay, so if you keep making random videos, you end up confusing the audience, the YouTube algorithm, and you will not build authority in a particular niche. You will not say yes that this is what you are known for. You will not come out tomorrow and say that this is the particular thing that helped you on YouTube. You will not have an authority in a particular niche. You will not have trust. Your audience will not trust you when it comes to a particular niche. And it is important for you to know that authority is everything when it comes to YouTube growth and community building. YouTube pushes channels that are consistent in a particular content, right? So YouTube algorithm cherish content or content creators that focus on a particular niche and keep pushing those kind of niche. So YouTube doesn't just endorse a particular niche, it also pushes consistent upload in a particular niche. So YouTube pushes channels that are consistent with topics, with a particular topic or a particular niche. The best way to fix this is to pick a particular niche. Pick one niche that you are going to focus on. Pick one niche that you are going to expertise on. Pick one niche that people are going to know you for. If you want to go into finance, fine. If you want to go into tech review, fine. If you want to go into YouTube growth and monetization, beautiful. If you want to go into lifestyle content, fantastic. Whatever niche that you want to go into, choose one particular niche that you'll be known for. If you want to go into real estate, beautiful. If you want to go into investment, whatever niche that you want to go into, pick one particular niche, focus on that niche, build on that niche, get audience from that niche, build community from that niche. This is one particular way to fix this problem of making videos for yourself and not for your audience. Now, another thing that you have to do to fix this is solve one problem consistently. Like in every video that you upload, In every video that you upload, make sure that you are solving a particular problem. Now, in every video that you want to upload, before you upload that video, ask yourself, what problem am I solving in this video? What particular problem am I going to solve in the mind of the viewer? One thing is the viewer going to learn from this particular video. So always have a problem solving mentality in each video that you intend to upload. That way YouTube algorithm will continue to push your videos, and the audience is going to love your videos and your content, and you get a lot of subscribers that way too. Now, another way to fix this is to use searchable titles. Use SEO optimized titles. Use titles and keywords that are search driven. That way new audience, new viewers can also see your videos, can also see your channels, and that way you get a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, and a lot of watch hours. Also use titles that solve people's problem. Titles like how to, titles like if you want to know, titles like make sure to check out titles or topics that will make people to learn. That way you will get a lot of views, subscribers, and watch hours on your channel. If you focus on your audience, viewers, and subscribers, and solve their problem on each of your videos, like every video that you upload, if you focus on the audience and solve their problems, YouTube is going to reward you by the impression. YouTube will begin to share your videos and show your videos to a wider audience by impression, by clicks, by more views, by YouTube recommendation. That way you will be more visible, and you start getting a lot of visibility that you even want and even thought that you cannot get. All right, and this will result to more views, more subscribers, and most importantly, more watch hours. So the question is, are you guilty of this mistake? Be honest with yourself. If you know that you are guilty of this mistake, then do the right thing by trying out this particular fixing strategies that I just mentioned. So the question is, are you guilty of the mistake? Be honest with yourself. If you know that you have made this mistake in your channel or in your videos before, put it on the comment section by typing yes. I'll reply to every comment and also provide advice and other suggestions for your particular niche. Okay, so if you know that you have been doing this kind of mistakes on your channel, go ahead to also try this method or strategies that I just provided you with on how to fix this problem, so that you start getting a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and a lot of watch hours on your channel. And if you want to grow faster and get a lot of subscribers, watch my videos on how to get subscribers very fast. If you find this video very helpful, please do like this video so that YouTube will push these videos to other small YouTubers that are making these mistakes, and they are not even aware of these mistakes, and they have been struggling with their views, their subscribers, and their watch hours. So please like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified each time I make YouTube growth videos and monetization strategies just like this. Don't forget I'm rooting for you and I love you. See you on the monetization side. Bye bye.